Oppo unveiled the Oppo Find N as its first foldable phone in December 2021. Now, according to many sources, the Chinese company will release the Oppo Find N2 foldable phone in December 2022. The Find N2 screenshot was leaked based on the images that were released. Oppo is indeed working on its second-generation foldable phone. Surprisingly, the company is also developing its first clamshell phone named Oppo Find N Flip, which is also likely to launch before 2022 ends. Now, according to Ice Universe's tweet, the next Oppo Find N2 will also solve another issue that foldable smartphones have previously struggled to overcome. In this case, the problem is the weight of the device. The source claims that the Oppo Find N2 will be lighter than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Weighing less than 240 grams, this means it is 15% lighter than its predecessor. To put its weight in reference, the current Oppo Find N weighs 275 grams. But if it's broken a new record, then it means it is lighter than the Galaxy Z Fold 4, so that means it has to be less than 263 grams. Many reports have suggested it's going to be a 7.1-inch LTPO foldable AMOLED display, and it's going to have a 120 Hz refresh rate. A post from Digital Chat Station revealed the color choices, and he says it's going to be available in white, black, or green. The Oppo Find N2 will have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 Society inside, according to the leaked images. In any case, the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 Society isn't weak and will provide more than enough power for intensive tasks while being efficient. The leaked screenshot revealed that the phone will launch with 12 GB of RAM along with 256 GB of internal storage. The Oppo Find N2 is anticipated to keep the same side-mounted fingerprint scanner integrated into the power button as the previous generation. It's going to be powered up by a 4,520 mAh battery with 67-watt fast charging, and it's also going to support wireless charging as well. Now it comes with 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 the main camera and 48-megapixel IMX581 ultra-wide and a 32-megapixel IMX709 2x zoom camera. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.